Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Hazel and I'm the owner of Brown Skin. I sell primarily on Poshmark and eBay, but I also sell on ThredUp and have my own Shopify store. So today I wanted to talk to you about my sales from October 19th to the 25th. And there's kind of a 2-week delay because I like to wait for any returns to come through and for all packages to be accepted. I just got my hair done today. It's red. I love it. I don't know if I have dye still on my forehead. Okay, so let's get into it. So I had a pretty slow week. I know with everything going on in the economy and the world with this global pandemic, I am very grateful for any sales I do get. But I had 13 total and I had 10 Poshmark sales and 1 bundle and 3 eBay sales. My first sale of that week on Poshmark was this Columbia puffer jacket. It was extra large and had some flaws, but it was a nice red color and it sold for $35. I picked this up, I believe, at a garage sale. The next sale I made on Poshmark was this blank NYC new with tags faux leather jacket. And back when I was heavy into B&G, so this was like earlier in the year, mostly last year, I bought a bunch of wholesale blank NYC jackets and they haven't been selling until now. Yeah, that was probably one of the last good B&G boxes I received. I also ordered from B&G a sample show me your moo wholesale box. I wouldn't recommend that. A lot of the items I received had no sizes whatsoever. I don't know if that's just because they are sample items or not. And I let go of this brown, I guess, tunic or dress for $30. So I received this Adidas jacket from a porch pickup, so it was free to me and it sold for a customer order of $20. So I sold this bundle of 3 items and I was really excited because I just sold this Rag & Bone men's workwear jeans. Or sorry, I just listed these Rag & Bone menswear jeans a few hours prior. But the Columbia jacket, I believe I picked up from the thrift store, as well as the Brooks Brothers sweater and the Rag & Bone jeans. I did some online sourcing there. So this bundle sold for $180. I also sold this Eliat dress. I let it go for a customer offer of $40. It was new with tags and it also came from a B&G Eliat wholesale box. And I have so many dresses. I really shouldn't have bought that box, to be honest, because a lot of them are still in my closet and they actually go for pretty cheap even though they have a high retail value. The next item I sold was this Under Armour running vest and I got it for free from a porch pickup. So I sent out a $26 offer with discounted shipping and the person accepted. So this Patagonia shirt had a couple of flaws and I accepted a customer offer of $20 and this was actually my second time selling it. The first time I sold it, I had listed it as a men's shirt and so of course the person who bought it returned it and Poshmark approved that case. But I was really happy that it sold again, probably within a few weeks of being relisted. For my eBay sales, I had at least one offer every single day come in, but I tend to counter if I felt a lot of those offers were really low. I sold this J. Crew factory knit blazer, so it was a pretty soft blazer, and the customer offered $20 and I accepted. I also sold these AG Tomboy Relaxed straight jeans for a customer offer of $45. This sold pretty quickly. I thrifted this, I believe believe in New Orleans, and it sold in less than a month. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more What Sold content, please hit the thumbs up as well as subscribe down below. In the comments, let me know what your favorite sale of the week was, of mine or yours. I'd be happy to know and get to know you guys more. Thank you. Okay.